Welcome back to our channel. Been backing up your WhatsApp to Google Drive, then switch to iPhone, and suddenly you can't restore anything? Yeah, that's a pain, especially when you really need those chats back. But don't worry. Today, I'll show you 3 free ways to restore WhatsApp backup from Google Drive to iPhone. Let's get into it. Method 1. Move to iOS. If your iPhone hasn't been set up yet, this is your best option. If it's already activated, you'll need to reset it first. Start by installing Move to iOS on your Android phone. Open it and follow the steps until you reach the code screen. Now set up your iPhone until you see Apps and Data. Choose Move Data from Android and tap Continue. A code will appear. Enter that code on your Android to connect both devices. Then select the data you want, including WhatsApp, and start the transfer. This can take a while. Mine took over an hour. Once it's done, your iPhone will restart and your WhatsApp data should be there. If your iPhone is already set up and you don't want to reset it, let's move on. Method 2. Google Drive Restore. If you're switching Android to Android, this is the easiest way. Open WhatsApp on your old phone, go to Settings, click Chats, find Chat Backup, and make sure everything is backed up to Google Drive. Then install WhatsApp on the new phone. Log in with the same Google account and phone number. It'll detect the backup automatically. Just tap Restore. Wait for it to finish. And all your chats will be right there. Method 3. Restore WhatsApp backup using iCareFone WhatsApp transfer. If you haven't backed up your WhatsApp yet, go into Settings and back it up first. Before you do that, make sure to turn off end-to-end encrypted backup and disable 2-step verification. Then back everything up to Google Drive. Once that's done, we can move on to restoring it to your iPhone. Now, here's the problem. Google Drive does not support restoring WhatsApp backups directly to an iPhone. That's why we need a tool like iCareFone. It's a professional WhatsApp transfer tool that works across platforms. You can move data from Android to iPhone, iPhone to Android. And more importantly, it can pull your WhatsApp backup straight from Google Drive and restore it to your iPhone. I've put the download link in the description. Go check it out. Once you've installed it on your computer, open it and connect your iPhone. Then select WhatsApp. If you still have your Android phone, you can transfer directly. If not, just click Backup and choose from Google Drive to retrieve your data. Now sign into the Google account that holds your backup. It's safe to log in. The tool will detect backups that normally wouldn't show up on your iPhone. Select the latest backup, click Continue, and let it download to your computer. After that, verify the phone number linked to your WhatsApp backup. It may remind you to disable 2-step verification, which we already handled earlier, so just continue. Once verified, click Restore Backup. Keep your iPhone connected, then click Restore Now. Just note that this will overwrite any existing WhatsApp data on your iPhone, so back it up first if you need to. Next, choose the types of data you want to transfer, along with your messages. Now log in to WhatsApp on your iPhone, and when it asks about restoring from iCloud, just skip that step. Go back to your computer, click Logged In, and let the process run. Try not to use your iPhone during this time. When it's done, your iPhone will restart, and all your WhatsApp messages from Google Drive will be right there. It might take a bit depending on how much data you have, but it works smoothly. Right now, since there's no real free way to restore a Google Drive backup to iPhone, this is honestly one of the most practical options. It lets you recover everything without losing your data. That's everything for today. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.